Friends, welcome to this presentation of red hot combination of setup, swing trading and moving average. Friends, why do I call it a red hot combination? The reason behind this is that I have found generally what happens is when you watch in TV or somewhere in seminars or some consultants, whenever they give a setup or whenever they give a trade call, they always say stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Why? The only reason they give stop loss is to escape the responsibility of or escape owning the responsibility that they have given you a loss, and they put responsibility on you that you have not taken the loss. You have not put the stop loss, so the loss is yours. No. That is not the way. Friends, I must say in my last about 25 years on computers and another 25 years trading in the share market, when I say 25 years on computers means trading on the computers, I have found out one strategy where there is absolutely crystal clear buy signal and crystal clear sell signal. I don't give any stop loss because I think my strategy is perfectly in order. Buy and sell signals are absolutely clear, and I will be happy if you do 100% profit in 1 year minimum, right? So friends, today we are on charting.com. This charting.com, friends, which we have here, you just go to Google, type the word charting.com, and this format will open before you. So this is the Nifty. You can see here the Nifty. This is actually the Nifty chart I have taken here. I have put the name Nifty, right? So let us see here what has happened. Our basic strategy is what? Our basic strategy is, friends, that we deal on the weekly charts. We deal not on the candlestick but on the closing price. So the closing price is here and the moving averages of 2. If you don't take moving average of 2, supposing if I click here and if I click here, you will get moving average of 10 and 21 if I update. But in our setup, these 3 moving averages have come, so it is say 21 and 10. Whole profit is gone, already disappeared. Anyway, let me now put the moving average. I'll just remove this, click it here, and this is the moving average of 2. Something if I put 10, it will become moving average of 10. But we won't. This I did just to show you. So let me put here moving average of 2, and finally what we get. So this is our setup. Setup is what? Weekly chart, closing price and moving average of 2. One, and second thing is that the share must be in a clear uptrend. So you can see the share here is absolutely in the uptrend. Friends, let us go little further down. Here you can see the uptrend clearly. There is no issue on this. So this is the complete setup of swing trading and moving average, right? No stop loss. RSI and MACD are not required. See, these are basic requirements of what we have with us. Okay, now if you want to have the clear-cut buy and sell signals, I will just remove this line from here. If you want to have clear-cut buy and sell signals, so friends, you will see here the buy signal is here. Can you see this crossover? This blue line is a price line and the red one is the moving average of 2. This is buy signal here, and here you see is the sell signal. So clear cut buy and sell signals, you don't have to guess anything, and as long as the trading is in between these two, as long as the price does not cut the moving average, you remain in the market. Remain with your strategy, remain with your buying, right? So friends, now What is need to be seen? Need to be seen is the slope. I will just write slope here. The need to be seen is slope. Okay. So what is the slope here? This slope is, if you see on the wristwatch, this slope is towards 10. This is parallel to it. This is also 10. So the slope actually is very, very good. There is no issue on this. And the moment this price line has cut this, so what has happened is you are out. As long as this price line is away from the moving average, you are very safe. Don't worry, fearless trading, I call it a fearless trading, and you exit here. Again re-enter here. Who prevents you? You give 10 rupees and again re-enter here. You see there is re-entry here. And again you can exit here. So this is the complete strategy, which I say everybody should follow without any risk and without any worry. I'll just put it here. Without any risk and without any worry. Now, everything we have combined here. One thing I would like to repeat, as long as the moving average is away from, as long as the price line is away from the moving average, the more it is away, more safe you are. Only when it crosses or touches, then you have the exit. Friends, one thing more. Those of my friends who are following me on uptrending shares, that is my channel, or your channel, that is your channel, you will notice in last 3 months we have discussed with about 15 shares so far, maybe 12 to 15 shares, 2, 3, but plus 2 here, plus minus 2 here and there. Without exception, in last 3 months, all the shares which we have discussed, they are plus 20% to 30% to 100%. 100% share I have already told you in my previous video. Now another I am talking today is of the UCO Bank. UCO Bank gave a signal here at 12 rupees, although I purchased it around 18 about 3 weeks back, and from 18 in 3 weeks it has doubled. 100% profit. What is this? This is, I am trying to summarize the strategy. Swing trading on weekly charts. You can once again see here, it is weekly chart, then is the closing price, and the share is in the uptrend. Friends, this is what I say is that this strategy of moving average of 2 and weekly charts in swing trading, this is the best strategy which I have seen in my life. You see what happens with the people, whole life goes off and they do not have a single winning strategy, and they are in the share market, sometime loss, sometime profit, sometime loss, sometime profits. And to my surprise also, to my surprise, I have not heard even single person on TV or in seminars, hundreds of seminars I have attended, not a single person has given this strategy which I have given you today. So stick to it, earn tons of money, and if you find any flaw in it, please come back to me. I will be happy if you can say this strategy is wrong. But before you take up any call, you please back check with any share that you have, whether the share is in the uptrend, flat, or in the downtrend. Only uptrend works in this strategy, nothing else works. Now say for example, you have a couple of shares, one of the shares or half of the shares are in the downtrend, don't trade with them. Trade with only those shares which are in the uptrend. They will give you money. As soon as possible, exit the shares in the flat or in the downtrend because they are risky. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Remain in the share market. Earn nothing less than ton of money. Your money must double up in 1 year's time. So, thank you very much.